So basically, it was true, let's say 10 years ago. So the way it works is in central air, you can put, if you put a central air heat pump, you put something called an auxiliary heat strip in it, which is basically, like an electrical heat component that helps the unit once it struggles. So once temperature outside drop below 40. And in any case, a central heat pump that has auxiliary heat will struggle below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, modern mini splits that run on the newer refrigerants run at 100 capacity at 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So they are way, way, way better than putting a central system with auxiliary heat on. It's just scientifically, that's the way it is. On the very basic models, they work at 100% up to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you get to the multi-zone units, which will be what you will be putting if you put, a few like heads in your property, they run, I believe, up to minus 15 degrees Fahrenheit. I believe it's either minus 13 or minus 15. So for
Okay.
Philadelphia, I find it really hard to believe that they will have any problem heating your house.